bright, puffs and twirls in playful fight. D is for clownfish, clownfish, hides in anemone, makes a face, peekaboo in coral space. D is for dolphin, dolphin, click and squeak and joyful spin, ocean smarty with a grin. D is for eel, eel, wiggly worm with electric flash, slips through rocks in a zappy dash. F is for flying fish, flying fish, zooms above the ocean spray, fish that flubs and flies away. J is for goldfish, goldfish, bloop bloop, swim I flow, I kiss, lives in bowls of golden bliss. H is for haddock, haddock, deep sea swimmer, kinda shy, plays in bubbles floating by. I is for ice fish, ice fish, chilly fins in frozen sea, wears a snowflake silently. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, floating like a bedtime lamp, soft and squishy, not so damp. Come on, show! K is for koi, swims in circles full of grace, little fins in garden space. L is for lionfish, lionfish, spiky fins that roar with style, dangerous diva with a smile. M is for Molly, Molly, friendly fins and baby crew, zooms around in groups of two. N is for needlefish, needlefish, pointy nose and speedy slide, darts around with silver pride. O is for Oscar, Oscar, bossy fish with fancy flair, flicks its tail and takes the shade. P is for pufferfish, puff up around when feeling tight, bouncy ball with tiny bite. Q is for queen snapper, queen snapper, crowned in red with royal pose, swims with flair wherever she goes. R is for rainbow trout, rainbow trout, shiny stripes from head to tail, skips through streams that sing and slide. S is for swordfish, swordfish, nose like swords, that's lungs to sing, charging waves so powerfully.